Hey there guys, so welcome back. This is going to continue where we left off. We are going to go ahead and create the view, the route, and the middleware. The middleware might come in the next video, but we are definitely going to create the view and the route and make sure that that is accessible to the user. And then we will go ahead and lock that route down in the next video to make sure that only administrators are allowed to use that. So let's go ahead and close our database file here, and we will go ahead and access our web.php. And as you can see, we already have our auth routes, we have our home, and we have our route get, our home page. So let's go ahead and just get rid of the closer function here, and we'll go ahead and put that into our pages controller, and we'll do that at the index. And then we'll also go ahead and duplicate that, and we will do admin dashboard, and then this will be just /admin, and we're going to go ahead and create the pages controller now. So let's go back. Let's clear this up a little bit. PHP artisan make controller, and we'll just make the pages controller here. And I accidentally typed that wrong, so page is controller. Wonderful. Alright, and we'll go to app, HTTP, controllers, and we'll get rid of this page controller because I accidentally spelled that wrong. Good. Now, here is our pages controller. So first we're going to define two public functions in here that are going to go ahead and handle our different routes. So the first one is going to be for the index, the home page. So the index or slash. And then we're also going to do one for the admin dashboard, and that is going to be /admin. And so let's start with the index. This one's going to be really easy. We're just going to define a public function index. That's not going to have any variables going into the function, and this is just going to return the view of what is it? Home? No, welcome.blade.php, and so that's done. And then we're also going to do another public function, and this one is going to be admin dashboard. And we're not going to pass any variables into that either, and we're just going to return the view of admin.dashboard. So let's go ahead and create this admin.dashboard view and get this done. So we'll go into our resources, views, and we have no admin folder, so we'll just create a new folder called admin. And we'll go ahead and create a new file called dashboard.blade.php. And this is just going to be a really, really simple page. And all we're going to do is just open up an h1 tag and say admin dashboard. And then we're going to create a paragraph tag saying if you see this page, you are an administrator. Wonderful. So we'll go there. And next, let's go ahead and take a look real quick. Admin/dashboard. Admin/dashboard. So let's go ahead and just check our routes real quick. Web.php. Oh, admin. There we go. Admin/dashboard. There we go. So let's go ahead and refresh that. And class app. HTTP pages controller. Oh, pages controller. Would be nice if I could spell. And wonderful. There we go. Okay, so now we have the admin dashboard. If you're seeing this, you are an administrator. And let's go and close that out and close that out as well, and we are good for this tutorial video. The next tutorial video we are going to create the middleware for our roles, our different roles, and make sure that if you are an administrator, you see this page. If you are not an administrator, we will redirect you into the welcome.blade.php file or the home file. I believe we're going to use the home file because that is just a little bit easier to throw a session flash message back out to the user telling them that they are not authorized. All right, we'll see you in the next video.